My name's Sam Ulmer from Diamond Sea Trailers. This is our first time at Powder Coat Week, and we're just here trying to turn this company into a more mature powder coating facility.
Powder Coating Week is such an exciting event for me. There's very high energy.
We're looking to completely redo our powder coat systems.
We're really trying to put a foothold in this industry, so we want to learn as much and gain as much knowledge as we possibly can.
The CEO of the company would looked at it and he goes, absolutely, that's where we want to be. So we brought 7 people and we all came here with a very specific agenda. Each one of us are looking for certain things to take back. Today we started with Powder Coating 101 and we've learned a tremendous amount.
Well, we came to the 101 so that we could gain some more knowledge on our powder coat system. We have been doing it, but we haven't had the expertise that's needed to run it properly. And so we wanted to get some more knowledge on how to do that.
Tabletops, we had the opportunity to really see what technology's out there that we can take advantage of. There's so much technology out there that I don't even think we knew about until a lot of what we heard about today.
I like that. I like that.
You know, just all in all, we talked to quite a few vendors, and there's at least 5 or 6 callbacks that we're going to be doing here in the next week or so.
Good morning and welcome to PCI's Powder Coating 2022 Technical Conference.
That's where a lot of the veterans that are here with us that have been doing this for years and years are super excited, because I think it's going to get a lot deeper to see the way some of the other companies out there are dealing with the same things we are. If we don't get outside of our small little niche, that kind of hinders us from getting better.
We come to Powder Week because it's a great place to connect with suppliers and other peers in the industry.
It's those opportunities in between the networking and the breakouts to kind of get together and connect.
Interact with potential customers, existing customers.
Bounce ideas or ask questions.
So it's always an exciting time to see what's new in the industry and what other people are doing and what you can learn from them.
And just really raise the level of knowledge in our industry as a whole.
My eyes have been opened a lot today. We're definitely going back with a lot of knowledge, especially with pre-treatment and then our final finish quality, and then different systems that we make and bring into our line to optimize it. We will definitely be back here next year.
See you at Powder Coating Week 2023. Come to Powder Coating Week 2023.
See you at Powder Coating Week 2023.
Cheers!